Baby, you broke me down, but the music won't stop. Feeling myself down to every last drop. I work so hard just to...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Why should you don't buy 4-coil earphones? So watch this video till the end in order to know the reality. Guys, this is how the packaging looks like. Guys, listen to this carefully. There are some serious issues with this type of earphones. So I thought of making this video. So support me by subscribing to the channel. Guys, at first we'll talk about the quality. As it is made out of plastic, it feels cheap. Doesn't worth paying 1000 rupees for these earphones. I have noticed that there's no bass in these earphones. I have even compared it with a 500 rupees Bose earphones. I think it sounds better. And guys, these earphones are not made for listening to music. These earphones are made to play games like PUBG. Guys, these are some reasons that you should never buy a 4-coil or 6-coil earphones. It's better to buy a Bose earphones rather buying these types of earphones. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And thanks for watching this video.